Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to export your voice messages from private channels on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been looking for a way to safely back up your audio files or just store them outside of Telegram, this guide will help you do it smoothly. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu where you'll find all the options you need. From here, go into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you see the section labeled Advanced and click on it. This is where you'll find the tools for managing data and storage. Now, scroll down until you reach the option that says Export Telegram Data. Go ahead and select it. This feature allows you to make a copy of your content, but since we only need specific files, we'll be narrowing it down. You'll see different categories you can include in your export. For this process, check only the option that says Private Channels. This ensures the export will only pull data from the private channels you are part of. After that, scroll a little further down and look for the box labeled Voice Messages. Tick that option as well. With these selections, Telegram will prepare only the private channel voice messages for export. Once everything is set, click on Export. Telegram will now generate your data, and depending on how many messages you have, the process might take a little bit of time. Be patient while it completes. When the export is done, you'll see a button that says Show My Data. Click on it, and Telegram will open the folder where your voice messages are safely saved. From here you can play them, move them to another location, or back them up wherever you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export your voice messages from private channels using the Telegram PC app with the latest update. This process is quick, secure, and ensures your important audio messages are always backed up whenever you need them. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll always have access to your voice messages outside of Telegram whenever you want.